In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize dashboard in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate, add the right cards, and tune the settings so your dashboard shows the most important information at a glance. Start by opening ClickUp and choosing the project whose dashboard you want to customize. Once you're in the workspace, head to Dashboard. This is your central hub for reporting and team visibility. Next, open the workload by status view. Follow the highlighted prompts to adjust what you're seeing. The highlights guide you through common tweaks like changing date ranges, grouping, and filters. Use these to focus on the people, statuses, or time periods that matter most. If you're managing capacity, for example, grouping by assignee and filtering to active tasks can instantly surface bottlenecks. Now select overall progress towards completion. Use the on-screen highlights here as well to refine the calculation and scope. This ensures your progress reflects the right lists, statuses, or sprints rather than the entire workspace. To expand your dashboard, click Add Card. You'll see categories that help you choose the right insights. AI cards can surface intelligent summaries and trends. Custom lets you build tailored visuals. Sprints is great for agile teams tracking velocity and sprint outcomes. Statuses shows how work is moving through your pipeline. Tags help you spotlight themed work, like initiatives or departments. Assignees focuses on individual workloads. Priorities gives you a clear view of urgency. Time tracking visualizes time spent. Tables provide flexible spreadsheet-like views. And embeds and apps let you bring in external content, like docs or live pages. Use the highlight prompts to confirm your choices, then add specific cards such as tasks due this week. Open the columns option to decide which details show up and include subtasks if you want deeper breakdowns. Follow the next highlights to apply your selections and return to the dashboard. You can also adjust group settings to cluster tasks by assignee, status, or priority, depending on how you want to scan information. Round out your dashboard with cards like completed this week, latest activity worked on this week, and productivity points over last 30 days. These give you a balanced snapshot of throughput, recent changes, active efforts, and productivity trends. When you're done adding cards, click Customize. Here you can rearrange and resize cards, align the layout with your review rhythm, and make sure the most important metrics are front and center. Save your changes, and your ClickUp dashboard is ready to use.